How do you justify to the seller that you want to buy their property at a huge discount, like say a $100K house for $30K? Well, first of all, you don't have to justify anything. Second of all, you should be getting the price out of them. Listen, you can't, hey, how much do you want for the house? I want $100,000. Okay, great. I can give you 30. No, I don't want 30. Okay, great. Can we meet in the middle? Can we find somewhere that this makes sense? I can't do 100. This property needs $50,000 worth of work. Maybe I am justifying. But listen, the condition of the property, here we go. If you were to ask him, if you were to completely fix up this property, what would it sell for? If you went and it is beautiful, it's the best house in the neighborhood, how much do you think it would sell for? I think it'd sell for $150. Okay, great. How much do you think that it would cost to be able to do that? Well, I'd have to put $50,000 in there. Okay, great. So you have to put $50,000 in there, and now you have to pay a real estate agent. You have to go through all that. You got to go through inspections. So that's another 10%. So now you're at $90,000. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. And I am at $70,000. I want to do this for $70,000 or $60,000. We're about $30,000 apart. I obviously need to make a profit as a real estate investor. This is what I do. And to take that off your hands, and you don't have to do anything, can we agree at a price of $65,000? You don't have to do anything. Done. As is. By the way, that $65,000 you keep. That's all yours. That's a net offer to you. Right? That's the approach. But a $100K house for $30K, you get those deals when they tell you that they want $30K. You're not going to convince somebody that wants $100,000 right now. They've done their research. They know what it's worth. They're not in a time crunch, all these things, to take $30K. There's no magical, script to do that. One, pre-qualify them and understand why they want $100K. And is it a deal at $100K? If it's a $100K house, how much work does it need? Does it need a lot of work? Or are you just trying to go after a house that's beautiful and give them $30K? It's not going to work. You're just spinning your wheels. Spinning. You got to find people that will trade equity in their house for speed and convenience.